Hey guys, it's Charles, and today I'm going to show you how to hide apps on Android. It's really super simple, so let's jump right in. So guys, if I wanted to hide an app on my Android device, let's say for example, I'll scroll up to my app list and I wanted to hide my Snapchat app. How would I do that? Okay, well first we're going to go home to our home screen, and then we're going to press and hold anywhere on our home screen that doesn't have an app. So basically any blank space on your home screen, you'll press and hold there. And then this will open this menu here. And in the bottom right, you're going to hit home screen settings. So we'll click that. And then once we're in home screen settings, we'll scroll all the way down and we'll click on hide apps. And then that will take us to this screen here where we can hide any of our apps. And this is in alphabetical order. So I was going to use Snapchat as my example. So I'll scroll down to Snapchat and I'll click it. And then at the bottom, I'll hit done. And then I can go back home and I'll go to my app list and you can see where my Snapchat was. It is now hidden. And obviously to unhide it, guys, I would just do the same thing. I would go back into home screen settings, scroll down to hide apps, and then I would click it in the top and hit done. And then there we go, that would unhide my app. So I hope that helped you guys out. If it did, you can leave a comment in the comment section below, or if you have any questions or any tutorial topics that you'd like us to cover in the future on the channel, you guys can leave those in the comments below as well. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.